What is Master Plumber? The practice of plumbing in the form of consultations, designing, preparations of plans, specifications, estimates, erection, installation, and supervision of plumbing work including the inspection and acceptance of materials used. Who is qualified to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? All graduates of the following course are qualified and can immediately take the MPLE after graduating: BS in Architecture, BS in Mechanical Engineering, BS in Civil Engineering, BS in Chemical Engineering, BS in Mining Engineering. If you are a graduate of the courses mentioned, the following are the requirements for exam application: PSA Birth Certificate, PSA Marriage Contract for married female applicants, TOR with scanned picture and remarks for board examination purposes. Payment 600 Philippine pesos. For non-degree holders, high school diploma. Other course not mentioned, transcript of records. Additional requirement needed: notarized certificate of experience for 5 years, signed by registered master plumber whose date of registration is prior to the date of employment. Who are the Board of Examiners? Engineer Reynold B. Ulagan, Engineer Pedrito D. Camalet, Jr., Engineer Jaime Jajay Cruz. What are the subjects for MPLE? Plumbing Arithmetic. 100 items, 2 hours duration, 10% weight. Topics: Algebra, Trigonometry, Plane, Solid, and Analytical Geometry, Physics, Engineering Economy, Sanitation Plumbing Design and Installation. 100 items, 5 hours duration, 40% weight. Recommended book: Plumbing Design and Estimate 2nd edition by Max Fajardo. Plumbing Code. 100 items, 2 hours duration, 10% weight. Recommended book: Revised National Plumbing Code of the Philippines. Practical Problems. 100 items, 5 hours duration, 40% weight. Recommended book: Rigid Tools. My most recommended book for MPLE. This book is the equivalent book of the CE reference for civil engineering licensure exam. The author is Engineer Balanoyos and Engineer Realuyo. The book title is Master Plumbing 2nd edition. The content of the book is very comprehensive and easy to understand. All 4 subjects are merged in one book. Tip for aspiring Master Plumber Licensure examination takers: try to read and understand all content of the book and answer as many questions as you can. The key to pass this board exam is to memorize and familiarize the terms and elements of plumbing. If you want to pass the exam, stay tuned, subscribe, and follow our channel. We will be posting review questions and tips that can help you. Thank you for watching.